Today I'm going to share my top secret method that I created called the reverse car payment. It's so stupid that I want you to berate me in the comments. I can't believe no one has thought of this yet. It's so simple, so easy. It's going to give you peace of mind, and it's really going to help your financial future. What the reverse car payment is it's making a payment to you instead of to the bank. So what I want you to do is I want you to open a high yield savings account, something from Capital One, Barclays Bank, or any bank that you prefer. I want you to set up a monthly payment going into that account. It can be as low as $100, it can be as high as $500. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna make that payment to yourself, and it's going to start building compound interest. And so by the time you're ready to buy a car, I'm going to recommend that you don't go to a dealership, that you buy from a private party, but you're going to have a huge nest egg in this high yield savings account. And this is going to completely negate you needing an auto loan in the future, because you're going to have the cash available to you liquid, and it's going to have compound interest building every single month, instead of doing the opposite. How that's going to allow you to win is you're going to save thousands of dollars by not paying any interest to the bank. You're going to gain potentially hundreds or thousands of dollars in interest, making it so that you can get a better car. Also, you're going to have the cash, which means that you're going to be able to buy a car at the lowest possible price, because you're going to go to somebody on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. With the reverse car payment, you are going to hold all the leverage in your vehicle buying transaction. Even if your dream car happens to be at a dealership, if you go in with cash, you're going to be able to get the best price, versus somebody who goes in and has a tiny down payment and needs a loan. That's how you go in and get taken advantage of. I also never ever recommend that you buy a new car unless your net worth is over $1 million liquid. Buying a new car is just a way to devastate your finances. I don't want you doing that. Unless you have over $1 million liquid, then it's going to be totally fine. It's not really going to hurt your net worth. I know it's so simple and it doesn't sound like something amazing, but it's going to change your financial future. In the description, I'm going to give you a couple links for some different high yield savings accounts that you can use. What I want you to do is go to the comments and let me know how much you're setting up per month in your reverse car payment and what bank you're using. So if you found any of the content in this video or my past videos to be helpful, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next video. And please comment if you have questions or you want to celebrate a win. I would love to celebrate those with you. I'll see you on the next video.